Dude, I hate drives.
What?
I hate drives. I'm like, when
Stop
someone's
it.
like, a plan is a drive, I'm like, what are we gonna do? If the plan is to go get ice cream, fine. Let's go to pick up something, fine. But the whole point cannot be a drive.
Action.
Hi, I'm Kanchi,
And I'm Ria.
and you're officially part of the Slumber Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke Too Soon pod.
Please be seated, don't run, because we hope by the end of this episode Anne had fun. Woohoo!
What a rhyme, guys. I'm so happy to be here. I'm sure I'm gonna have fun. Because
Yeah,
y'all
you
are
will.
the most energetic people I've ever met.
Oh, no.
Or seen on screen and met in real life. So I love it. I'm very excited.
You're actually telling us this after like a whole day of shoots. It's a
Yeah.
big compliment.
Yeah, no,
to
I
us.
don't know how you guys are doing it. Like, mad respect.
It's fun. I think if you have fun today, then like
I will. I know I
Yeah.
will. Manifesting it.
we think you will.
I will.
And you can take a nap afterwards if you're
Yeah,
really
on the
Yeah,
bed.
what a comfy set.
Comfy set, comfy clothes. That was the vibe.
Yeah, very cute.
So how does it feel to finally be in the content creator industry?
It feels actually surreal because I wanted to post on Instagram for like, not Instagram, I was a TikTok girly.
Oh, what?
Like, because I was in the US for a couple of years and stuff, and I never used Instagram Reels. I used to like low-key hate on it, but then
Don't
it,
say it
it
now.
got banned. And then I moved back and I was like, okay, I need to get with it. But it actually feels crazy. Like, I just don't believe this is my life.
Do you still have your US SIM?
Yeah. No,
you
not
don't want to
my SIM.
delete TikTok?
No, I'm on the US App Store.
Huh, okay.
So,
You
like,
scroll on TikTok
CapCut,
also.
TikTok. No, I don't. Because it's very now American. Or like, I've left that discourse and all of that.
Yeah,
Now
you
I
left
love
it
my...
behind.
I
Yeah.
actually, before any guest comes on the pod, I stalk them.
Yeah.
To like
Yeah.
see what's the vibe. And I stalked you yesterday. And like you've started recently. Like
Yeah,
I
yeah.
could easily go back to your
Yeah,
first
1 year
Did you
ago.
go back to
Yes,
the first?
No
easy.
way. That's
And I'm
crazy.
like, wait, that time you were just posting random stuff,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
then randomly I saw your feed, Sober Girl
Yeah.
started. How did the Sober Girl thing?
Strategy.
Was it planned?
Because I posted for like 8-9 months and I was not seeing anything. I was at like 3,000, 4,000. I was like, you put Sober Girl, people will
Yeah.
watch. So it was my
It's a branding
strategy.
thing.
No, honestly, like it was just I posted it on one video and that went viral. I was like, okay, might as well just make this my brand now.
Yeah.
But it was very by chance. It was not like I was trying to like concocting something crazy or
Yeah.
anything.
All of your thumbnails have Sober Girl on
Yeah.
them. That's insane. That's some
Does your
consistency.
bio have it?
No, no,
You
no.
should.
Because I eventually want to pivot
Yeah.
at some point.
Like,
'Cause
for
it's
how
very-
long will it?
I don't know. Then telling you every day I wake up, I'm like, what should I post today? I decide and I post it. Like that is my strategy right now. So I'm not.
Like you don't know what kind of content, just whatever comes to your
Yeah.
head.
Well, now I'm low key flopping, so I have to.
What?
Yeah, it's fine.
Who said?
I said.
Since we have been flopping for years, it's fine.
No,
Don't
but no,
worry.
I've been killing it for years also. But yeah, let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen next. I have to figure it out. But
So was this like a thing that like happened by chance, or like did you want to become a content creator? Like were you aiming to keep posting and like make a thing
I mean,
out of it?
obviously, when you're posting, you kind of hope somewhere deep down that you like
Yeah.
blow up and stuff. But I think I just started posting because I wanted to document my move back from the US to India. I was like, I want to have like a physical video representation of everything I felt. I used to post a lot on my Finsta and all. So I was like, might as well just make all of that
Finsta, she
public.
said.
I
Yeah.
Yeah.
saw this reel where I think recent reel, I don't know if it's recent, where you said that you wanted to post because when you're 45, you want to
Yeah.
see what all you did in your
Yeah, it's
20s,
just
what
so
you wore, what you
cute.
said, where you were.
Yeah.
Bro, that's crazy.
I actually don't want to look at myself.
Really? I'm like, I want to know like how dumb or fun or smart I was. Like that's why my content is also like whatever was in the day, I'll just say it or
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
Because it's so cool. Because I feel like I forget so much. Like I've forgotten so much of my life.
Girl,
Same.
Right? Like it's so hard to remember.
I don't know if I have like emotional trauma from certain areas of my life.
Yeah.
Or like or maybe I just don't want to remember it.
Yeah,
but I've actually
fair.
forgotten
Yeah.
patches of my life where like she'll tell me like, oh, this happened 4 years ago, and
Yeah.
I'm like, no, it didn't. Don't make it
No,
up.
it's crazy when someone else tells you something about you and you're like, no. And then they're like, it happened. I'm
Yeah.
like, no, it hasn't. Don't
But
make it
look,
up.
I don't wanna like. I feel like when I scroll on my page and I go back and see what I created like 5 years ago, I'm like, oh no.
Really?
Same.
But it's like, oh, you were so cute. Like, like a little like baby.
No, I feel that I'm like, oh shit, was that me? I literally look like a baby. Literally.
Dude, I used to watch you in your short hair. Like COVID, I remember I used to like watch all your dance reels and stuff. And then I went to the US and I never opened Instagram after that. And then when I opened like reels after that, you were like this huge creator. And I was like, this is crazy. But I always remember thinking like there's something damn like likable about your personality and it comes across in the camera damn well. And also I was like, it made me damn happy even though I didn't know you or anything.
No, but I think that comes across in your videos also.
Thank
like
you.
people feel like a community.
Yeah.
Like they feel like they are like you, like they want to know you more.
Yeah.
You give that vibe. You're not like hiding anything,
Yeah.
or you're not like being a little like I need some what is that? I need some secrecy. I want to like have this aura.
Honestly,
Mysterious.
I would love to be mysterious on the internet. It's just not
Yeah.
possible.
Even we try, we cannot
It's
be
not
mysterious.
possible.
It's so difficult to not show your
Yeah.
life every day.
I
Yeah.
agree.
Like people who don't like vlog their life or make content of their everyday life
Yeah.
are so cool. Like
I agree.
I could never.
Because
Yeah.
that's a different level of skill only. Because you're just
Yeah.
showing one snippet and people are hooked.
Yeah.
I'm like, how?
Yeah.
It's insane. But
For
I
sure.
love watching like everyone what they do in the day
Yeah,
and all. Like I
same.
know what everyone's up to. I'm fully invested in your gym journey.
Oh
How's
my
it going?
God. It's actually not the best, but I'm trying.
That's all that matters, honestly. And then soon
Yeah.
do you enjoy it? Like after do you feel that high?
I do. I really
Yeah.
like the gym, but I feel like I'm not doing enough. Like I need a trainer to help me and like
Yeah.
tell me what to do.
You should definitely get a trainer.
But then the gym I go to, the trainers aren't very friendly.
Oh.
So they're not like approachable in the sense that I can't go to them and be
Yeah.
like, hi sir, can you help me?
But you think that and they actually are nicer than you think.
Yeah,
I
maybe.
feel. I made my sister approach one for me because
Yeah,
I'm
someone
like
with a
typical
good-
younger sister. I'm like, I want that. Can you get some? And then she'll go and get it. But I would say like trainer because before I had a trainer, I would just show up at the gym and just walk in the treadmill and go home. Because I'm like, I don't know what to do, my form and everything. But now
Yeah.
I have a full on trainer and it's amazing.
So you
I
go
would
to the
suggest-
gym properly all the
Yeah.
time.
With my
So you want to train me?
Dude, I don't know anything. I still have no idea. I just show up there. I go with my sister and we have the same trainer and side by side we just do.
You go every day in the morning.
No, thrice a week in the morning.
Oh, that's actually
Yeah.
really good. That's good enough for me.
Because I'm not an early riser, but I'm forcing myself.
What is not being an early riser for you? Like what time do you
Like
wake
my
up?
gym is 8 to 9, which is really forcing me. But if I had it my way, I'd wake up at 12 p.m.
Same.
But like when I wake up early, I'm like, wow, the morning is amazing.
But
I should be.
give off that vibe that you're an early riser, getting
I know,
things done.
but that's what I have to do now. I have to go against my like personality if you
Yeah,
want
you-
things to be done.
She is like really troubling my conscience because like before the pod started, she told me that she has given up caffeine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I'm like terribly addicted to coffee. Like
Dude,
I
that
drink a
was
lot of
me.
coffee.
I was like chai in the morning, maybe a matcha in the day, green tea in the evening, chai in
my
the
God.
evening, Coke, like 5, 6, all different forms. And I was like, this is horrible. And that's why I was
Yeah,
not getting
did
any
you-
sleep. So then I just quit cold turkey. And the chai was like impossible because I would have like 2 cups every single day. It's like if you gave up matcha, that was
Yeah.
me giving up chai.
That's insane.
Can't.
She got a headache today without
Because
me.
I didn't have matcha all day.
But that's what I was like, how can I be so dependent on a beverage? It's kind of like
It is insane, yeah.
strange, but I would suggest if you can, it's actually cool because you realize it's much easier to leave it than you think. Like you get headaches for like 4 days and then like 4 days I was like, oh my god, my head is hurting, I need sugar, I need my chai, I need this, and then I was fine, like
But
fully
what
fine.
did you do? Like, what was your alternative?
Nothing. Water.
Dealing with it.
Water.
Water.
I would have like chamomile, however you want to say it, tea.
Crazy.
That's it.
You need to
I don't know
try.
if I want to do this. It's not sounding so fun.
Maybe you don't need to cut off, but
Yeah.
maybe reduce your.
But
like,
do you drink a lot of coffee?
no.
At least one coffee a day.
That's fine.
It's not the
Yeah.
worst. On some days, like say we are like on set all day,
Yeah.
or like have a
Yeah.
long day, maybe 2.
Yeah, I think that's fine. I think they say 45 milligrams and you're good, which
Yeah,
is 2,
which
3
is not-
cups.
yeah.
So you're
That's
fine.
not bad at all.
Yeah, you're
Well,
chilling.
a lot more people keep sipping on coffee all day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, I know people that like finish their first coffee and they have their second coffee ready.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But you actually like the taste of coffee.
I love coffee.
Really?
I
Because I
love
feel
coffee.
like I was a coffee drinker, but every time I see all these like American shows and TVs and they're all like coffee obsessed, I'm like, how? Like, is it really that good to you?
It's like low-key like the taste of maybe alcohol or even matcha.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't like taste good at the beginning.
Yeah.
But you really like just like start falling in love
And
with
it
it after
doesn't-
a while.
Tastes good on its own.
I have black coffee.
You like
Yeah.
it? You actually like it?
But that's what I'm saying. It's fine, but I'm not like, oh my god, like don't talk to me before my coffee. Like those like hashtags, like those millennial quotes are like, talk to me when I've had my first sip of coffee. That all I don't understand. That's why I'm really curious. Like even what you feel with matcha. I guess I feel it with chai, so I don't know why I'm like
Yeah.
shitting on y'all.
No, honestly, Loki, it just wakes me up.
Yeah.
Like, I start my day really, really late. I sleep a
Yeah.
lot. Like, I do not have a routine in place at all.
Yeah.
I wake up at like 11.
Nice.
I straight up eat lunch, no breakfast, no workout in the morning.
Kanchi is like worst nightmare
Bro,
ever.
by the time I wake up, I swear to God, she has like 30 things that have already happened.
That's why.
She's like, they're messaging on this group. Should I order this product? This has to be done. Should we send this script? Can you call me as soon as you wake up? I haven't even opened my eyes, and I need to call Kanchi for
Dude,
work.
I wish like I was you.
No, but like I don't know. My eyes just open and then I have to. If I'm awake, I have to get it done. Like I can't
That's
leave
a
it.
damn good quality.
going on
What is
for the
your
day.
zodiac sign?
Scorpion.
Oh, fun.
Why?
Just, I was like, this seems like super like Virgo energy, but I guess you're.
No, I'm not a Virgo. I'm not a perfectionist to that.
Okay.
Like
Got
level.
it, got it.
Yeah. Are you a Virgo?
No,
What's your star sign?
I'm a Capricorn.
I actually don't know anything about stars, so I don't know how to contribute.
When's
to
yours?
this. Cancer.
Cancer.
Yeah.
That means you cry a lot, do
I
you?
I literally just cried in the previous episode.
No way.
Yeah.
But I was crying from
There was
laughter.
laughing
Yeah.
cry.
No, but I cry a lot in
Like,
general, yeah.
emotional.
Almost every wedding reel I watch, I cry.
I saw some really cute one about some guy who missed his flight. And then
I
he
saw
came,
that.
he chartered a plane and they
Yes.
were like at 1
The
a.m.
girl
waiting
was
and they
crying
were doing
all day and
yeah.
then he reached at 1:30
and
he
they
danced.
they were
I
like
saw
doing the
this
Bharat and
Wait, I
it was
didn't
damn
see this.
cute.
Is
I
this
almost
because of
cried in the
Indigo?
car. Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to see this reel.
He
I'll
got
send
a
it to you,
charter
dude. I
flight.
was tearing up in the car.
He chartered a flight?
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
it.
honestly, your wedding is there
Yeah.
fully set
Yeah.
up. It's kind it
It's
was
crazy,
crazy.
yeah.
People missed their weddings.
Bro, I saw someone who did like a Zoom call for their wedding. And they
To
were both
meet
just
everyone.
sitting and they were like, yeah, you know how everyone goes and takes
Yeah.
pictures at like a
Like a
reception.
COVID wedding.
Yeah, literally like a COVID wedding.
Honestly, those were wild. But I guess what else to do?
Yeah.
No, I would wait. I would not have a COVID
But what if you don't know if COVID is ever getting over? Then what?
Yeah, at that point, people didn't know, bro.
Yeah.
My
That was a
cousins got
wild time.
married, I remember.
In COVID.
Yeah, and I joined the Zoom link. They were somewhere in the US and I think New Jersey or something, and I joined the Zoom link and I saw the whole wedding that they did at home. It was quite sad
Cute.
actually. I mean, yeah, good for them.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
Our tickets were booked to go to Thailand for their wedding.
No,
And you-
way.
Yeah, and none of our tickets were refundable. So then all of our
Shit.
money just went their whole planning.
But surely they can make exceptions for COVID. I would think they would make shit refundable.
I don't know. I don't think they did. This was like initially like the first few months of
Oh.
lockdown. And then I think someone else like from the family bought their package. Like they like
got it,
passed it on.
got it.
So I don't know if they wasted the money or what, but hectic.
Yeah, that's actually wild.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to ask you this question.
Ask.
That you're always talking about your finances
Yes.
and stuff on Instagram. How are you so okay with it? Like, it's weird to me because we spoke about, we're like, we can, if we want, we can tell our followers how much we make, but we feel weird telling our, like, relatives
Yeah.
or people
Your
like
friends
that.
follow you,
Yeah.
they know how much you make and how much you spend.
Yeah.
You don't feel
Everyone.
weird about
So
it?
honestly, in the US, all of us knew, like I was in a big girl group,
Huh.
every one of us knew everyone's salaries, what
Okay.
your rent is, how much you're paying, and it's like very open over there. It's like not like a taboo topic. And everyone's independent. It's not so much like who is your family or anything. It's like you're earning, you're making your own thing. When you're planning trips and all, everyone knows what everyone can afford. And I really like that because I feel like in India there's no talk about that.
Literally,
Yeah.
no.
And also, when I started with content creation, I've always been really curious about how much content creators make. And, like, you know, I was like, if I've been so curious, might as well tell people or, like, follow me on the journey. Because then it's either inspiring, like, people want to start themselves,
Yeah.
which I think is cool if someone starts something because of you. Or just, like, being transparent because I would want to know. I think there's, like, merit in it. If that's your brand, if you're comfortable with it, of course.
Yeah. It is cool the way you share everything.
Thank you.
And also the way you keep a tab of how much you spend, it's made me a little conscious about how I have no idea what
No,
I
but
spend
it's
in a
like at
month.
the end of the month I'll sit and do it. It's not like I should be doing it like every week and stuff, but
No.
I
It's okay.
should. Because I spend a lot of dumb shit. Like I'll just get shit from Blinkit all the time,
Same.
and I'm like, do I need this? No.
Bro, I
Like,
just ordered purple toothpaste yesterday.
that's fun. You have to romanticize your life. It's okay.
Literally, I was like, you know what? Because I went to the dentist and I was like, I want my teeth to be whiter. Okay.
Yeah.
And he was like, this is the whitest shade even I can do for you. So I was like, no, I know it can be whiter
Yeah.
than my current teeth. By the way, these are my teeth right now. If you're not
Do
watching,
oil-
then tune in.
Do oil
We don't.
pulling.
Say again.
Oil pulling.
What's that?
Apparently, it's this like thing that the dentists don't want you to know about because it like put them out of business. So they say they don't recommend it.
Dentists, bro.
But you basically take like coconut oil and you like swish it in your mouth for like 5 to 10 minutes when you wake up in the morning, and then you spit it out. It's supposed to remove all the tar and like everything. There's
What is this?
I think that it's come to India now, but I used to use it in the US. It really
help?
made my teeth much whiter.
Oh, amazing! I'm definitely gonna
But
do
if
this.
you're a dentist,
So
I'm
the
sorry.
purple toothpaste is gonna.
I'll still use the
Yeah,
purple
mix and
toothpaste.
match.
But it's like really purple, like the
Yeah.
foam in my mouth is purple.
But that's some color, some contrast,
yeah.
something,
Apparently,
something.
purple cancels
Colour
out the
correct.
yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. I'll also get.
I told her even I want because I just love the color purple. So
Yeah,
for the vibes.
cute.
Actually, when we went to Delhi, both of us forgot to carry
Yeah.
toothpaste. I was like, order purple toothpaste. But then it was 160 rupees.
No way.
And so we're just there for a night. So I'm like,
Yeah.
not worth it.
Yeah. Fair enough.
I mean, I would be extremely down to understand how you calculate how much you spend in a month. Because
Yeah.
I have no, like, GPay, there's cash, there's credit,
Bro, I
debit.
feel scared to open when it says you spent this much
No way.
current balance.
That's crazy. Honestly, it's not that hard for me because I don't use cash anyway. I never have any cash. So I don't, or if I do that, I don't count it. That's like fake.
Cash is
not
girl-
real. Like girl math,
girl
not
math.
real. But I barely ever have cash on me, so I don't count cash. And then GPay and your credit card, I just download the
Statement and check.
put it on Google Sheets, and then there's a formula where you categorize everything and it'll just sum up your categories.
This thing
This-
of
all this
using
I
Google
can't-
Sheets, I don't...
I'm telling you, just ask ChatGPT what you want. It'll
Yeah.
spit out the formula. Just put the formula there. Whatever you think is like not possible is possible with ChatGPT. So just ask.
That was so inspirational.
Just ask him or her. Do you guys think she's a girl or a guy?
She is a girl.
She's
for
a girl,
sure.
nah? Even I agree.
Because good advice.
Yeah.
And like knows so much. Like what man knows this much? None.
I actually don't use ChatGPT at all.
That's good. I only
it a good
use
thing?
it's a good thing.
Yeah.
I only use it for like coding kind of stuff that I don't know. But otherwise, like there are people who write like breakup texts on it. Like I had a friend who got a breakup text from ChatGPT. I'm like, are you insane? Like just write your
yourself.
emotions.
Yeah.
Like it's a bit crazy. So it's good you don't use it. Use your
And
brain.
you come to know, like even when someone sends
Yeah.
me, like a brand sends me a brief or
Yeah.
something, I come to know when
Yeah.
it's ChatGPT.
Bro, when they send you caption options,
Yeah.
like this is what you can caption your reel, and then the captions are like copy paste
Yeah.
of
No
ChatGPT.
way.
Yeah. And then if you give them a real human caption, they're like, no, this is not right.
Bro,
Like,
doesn't
okay,
align.
literally, if you train your ChatGPT, it'll work for you, like
Yeah.
how you want it. Like that day, I was shooting a reel with Sahil for his page, and he's like, "You need to use ChatGPT, but let me train your chat for you." So it gives you an
Yeah.
answer that you want and what we want to show in the video. So he literally spoke to the chat for like 5 minutes, trained it according to me, and then it gave us that answer. Like he typed like, "When Kanchi asks you this, you better say this." And then
No, you have
when
to
I
do
asked-
it. It's like creating a
that
custom GPT. So you feed it all this information, like basically give them like your diary entry or something and be like,
Yeah.
this is who I am.
But
Now
then
just
won't the answers be biased also?
they're
Like,
always so biased.
Yeah.
So biased. I'll be completely wrong in a situation and they'll be like, no, we
You're
get
right.
it. We are so right.
do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
girl.
So I just don't trust chat. But I'm really sweet to her. I'm always like, hey babe, love you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. You have to what if they take us over?
Yeah, yeah.
Then you have to be in the
Oh my
good
god,
list.
they won't accept me at all because I never used
And no, then you're good now. You can just hide and they won't take you.
I can hide.
I also
hide
feel if I
somewhere.
start depending on ChatGPT, then I'll not know anything. Like,
Yeah.
I'll be so dumb.
Yeah.
I genuinely feel like a lot of my creativity will kind of just like leave
Yeah.
the room.
Yeah.
Because
For
I'll,
sure.
I'll just be like, okay, chat will do it for me.
And everyone will have similar ideas then because
Yeah.
what they come up with is also like not that great.
For
I think
sure.
it's good for refining. Like if you
Yeah.
have a script and you
And
put
you-
it in, you like make it tighter or like make it more snappy, then they
Yes.
help. But like don't make it come up with your reel.
Sometimes when I
Yeah.
can't think of a script or a concept and my manager tells me just ask chat.
Yeah.
I'm like, no, I don't want to
Yeah.
ask chat. I want it to come from my brain.
For
It has to
sure.
be me. Even if chat gives me some Gen Z coded script that brands
Which is
want.
always so millennial coded because they don't understand what Gen Z is.
I'm like, no, I'll think, give me one more day, I'll do it, but I don't want to ask chat.
Have you all used it for this pod yet ever?
No.
No.
Oh, actually, Paloma used it today.
We use it for like game ideas and
Oh,
stuff.
cute.
Yeah, because we play a game, like we play games on the pods.
I heard this is your 30th y'all have crossed 30
Yes.
episodes, which is
We
crazy.
are currently filming our 30th episode.
That's wild. Do you guys have a favorite episode? You have to say.
Obviously, there are a few that I like. I mean, I like all for some reason.
I
But
don't like all.
Really?
Nah.
no, for something. Like, I like my outfit in this episode.
You'll always find something you like. Yeah, fair
But
enough.
I really enjoyed listening to the wedding episode that we did. We spoke about Indian weddings and
I've seen every episode.
things that brides
what?
do.
Yeah, I love YouTube, so I'll just put it on. I'll do my thing.
You
love
clean your
that.
room and it's going on in the background.
I don't clean my room. Very bad at that.
Usually when we like film the pod, we film it first,
Yeah.
then we watch the first draft,
Yeah.
then we watch the second draft,
How
then
fun.
then the third draft, then we actually watch it
Yeah.
when it like airs. So sometimes you don't have to watch it again. So but this
Fair.
episode I loved watching
Yeah.
it again and again.
Yeah, honestly, I don't like by the time I see it finally on like YouTube, I'm done with the episode.
Yeah.
Oh, really? We've seen it so much.
We've seen it so many times
Yeah.
and we've thought about what we want to talk about and
Yeah.
we've ideated like the topic and all. But I guess the wedding episode is my favorite
Content.
edit wise. Yeah, edit wise. Like the
Okay.
color, the sound, everything is perfect in that episode. Shout out Praneeth. And I think that's our editor by the way.
Yeah, I figured. I inferred.
And I think maybe favorite episode, like the content wise, I would say this episode maybe was the third episode we
Yeah.
did on body changes. And we
Ooh.
spoke like a lot about like what women go through in their like early 20s
Yeah.
or even like teens when they get their period and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was like really relatable for a lot of women.
Yeah, I feel like it's always good to put content like that out there.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I think now people are talking about women's health a lot more.
Yes.
And before, like, I used to like fully gaslight myself that like I'm just emotional, I'm just moody. But I'm like, your hormones are literally
Yeah.
changing every month. Like,
Yeah.
is crazy.
week,
yeah,
every
literally
week.
every
Bro,
week.
first I didn't like when I got to know about the 4 cycles,
Yeah,
the luteal phase,
luteal, yeah.
ovulation and all that. I'm like, I don't think that's
Yeah.
and then I actually tracked it and I noticed my moods throughout the
That's
whole month
what-
and
and
it
you're
was
like, I'm
spot
not
on.
crazy. Like, this is
Yeah.
biological. I
Yeah.
feel like we were taught it like in a very like lallu way
And
in
now I know
school.
how to
We were, yeah.
like
Yeah.
deal with it.
Yeah.
Like I know next
Really
week is
give
gonna
tips.
be a little tough, so let me keep it light. Like let's not do anything. Let's not have some discussions with people who would trigger me. Like let's not do that. Because
No,
I
that's
knew.
smart.
Coincidentally, every time you want to keep it light though, the heaviest
Yes.
work day is on that day. Like the
Yeah.
biggest shoot day will be on the first day of your period.
Yeah, always.
I don't know why.
Always. And I'm like, get me out of here.
Yeah.
But then you feel so like, wow, I'm such a strong
Yes.
woman
Yeah.
after.
At the end of the day, it's like
Like-
you accomplished something.
like that whisper ad where she's cartwheeling the shit out.
And then she's hopping in the white pants at the end.
But that's not true, yaar.
Who has written these ads? I want to know. Insane.
What did you study? You went to study in the US,
Yeah,
right?
I did. I majored in psychology. So I wanted to be a therapist. But then that means
Loki?
same.
No,
Oh.
not at all. Do I give therapist energy? You give therapist energy.
thank
I was
you.
gonna say your aura is so calm
Yeah.
that I feel like chatting. Like,
That's
I feel like you
sweet.
listen to me.
Yeah, so a lot of people used to tell me that in school and all, and I loved psychology. It's like a really fun topic to learn. I was never a math girl, like
Same.
get me away from numbers. Science and all I liked, but when there was math involved, I was like, I'm out. But then I wanted to be like a child therapist, but that's a bit heavy, and also I didn't want to study more. After that point, I was like, I don't want to do like 5-6 more years of schooling,
Yeah.
and I wanted to work in the US. So I was like, I can't.
How
You
was
wanted to work in the US, but you came back.
I worked
you
for
worked
2
there,
years.
no?
Yeah.
And then you worked from here, like for
Yeah.
your
So I
US job.
got into marketing right after I graduated, and then I worked in New York for 2 years, and then I moved back, and
And then you worked from here for a
yeah,
bit.
remotely for like 8 months, which was hell.
Your
How did you
sleep
use the time?
schedule would be messed up.
Yeah, but I was always like a very night owl, but like I wasn't working obviously when I was a night owl. But honestly, I didn't see what I would do here. Like I literally was like, I don't know, and I don't want to be so confused without a plan and everything. So it's like I really liked the company. I liked the work. I was learning a lot, and like my managers were great. Work-life balance is also, I think, better than what my friends tell me I like is in India and stuff. So I wanted to have like a better plan, and then
Then you quit your
then
job.
I quit. And then coincidentally, when I quit, so I quit in June. Like I told my manager I'm leaving in June. At that point, I was at like 5,000 followers. So it's not like I had some crazy plan or anything. And then in July, my like money reel blew up. And so then it all just somehow worked out like crazily.
I low-key feel like this is a thing. Like, if you were still working,
Yeah.
I don't know if you would blow up.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like the universe, I know this sounds insane.
No, I believe.
Yeah, but like the universe saw that, okay, fine, she's actually working towards
Yeah.
something else, and they made it happen for you.
Yeah, I fully believe like once you like
Yeah.
do things that are like with your aligned self, it'll
Yeah.
happen. But what about you guys? Y'all started so young. Like, how did y'all decide? Like, I'm so fascinated. Because I would be, y'all are like, oh my god, how do you put your money stuff out there? Like, I'm like at 19 or 20.
Yeah.
How did you guys put yourself out there? Like, I was so like scared as a 19-year-old to like put myself out there.
That time I didn't even think about the fact that I'm putting myself out there.
Yeah,
I was just doing it because
Yeah.
I was enjoying it. Like
Yeah.
like dancing was so much
Yeah.
fun.
It was a vibe, yeah.
Was like
I
my
guess you're a good dancer, so that like is helps. You
Also,
know?
we had a lot of free time.
Yeah,
during lockdown.
because
COVID,
that
yeah.
time we had nothing to do. Like we were not even studying. I
Yeah.
think I had just given my board, so I was in that phase where there's nothing.
Yeah.
And my college was also not yet decided, so
Yeah.
literally free at
Yeah.
home. So I started dancing randomly,
Yeah.
and it was like.
Yeah.
There was no plan, honestly, and then we started doing it, and then we both met. So, like,
Yeah.
ours was very similar. Like,
Yeah,
our
it happened
whole
at the same
journey.
time.
Yeah.
And we were in a music video together.
No way.
And I was very unserious about this as like my job.
career,
because-
yeah.
Also, at that time, like 5 years ago, there were very few people that actually made like a life out of
Yeah.
this. And all of those people had done it for like 10, 15
Yeah,
years.
very few like young creators.
Yeah.
They were like the OG bloggers.
Yeah, we
who
were
like
one of the
turned.
youngest in
Yeah.
the lot.
And I think when we started doing it, there were like very few people on our Explore also. Like Reels had just
Just
started.
started.
Begun.
yeah.
Like, I posted a reel on the first day of Reels.
That's
Did you
crazy.
actually?
That's
So I was
wild,
posting
dude.
on TikTok.
Yeah.
And then TikTok got banned, so
Yeah.
obviously I couldn't. Then for 2-3 months there was nothing to do
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
Reels was not launched. And then the day Reels was launched, I made a reel
No
and I
way.
posted it. I'm like, I actually used my reel. Like,
That's
let me use my
That's too good.
like it will help me if I
Yeah,
post
but-
on the
and
first day.
Yeah.
it did. So
It did,
that's
yeah.
good.
I guess.
I don't think I posted on the first day, but I remember crying when TikTok got banned. I didn't
Dude,
use
I was so
TikTok.
sad.
I was so.
I was so
You were
sad.
here that time.
Yeah, lockdown. I was
yeah.
here for a year. So I was so sad.
like, what do you do with your
like
life
literally, because I was on TikTok like
All the
8
time.
hours a day for
Same.
sure. Like,
I knew all the trends.
Yeah.
Like right now also, those trends, if you ask me,
Yeah.
I can do it.
Even
Like it's
I know
muscle
the
memory.
dance trends.
But the recent ones, like I don't know.
now? Like,
Yeah.
which one do you know? Like Cannibal and all.
I know the
Yeah,
Cannibal,
Cannibal,
Ali,
yeah.
Chew
Yeah.
Up, Renegade, of
Yeah.
course,
Yeah.
we all know. But all the Addison Rae ones I
Yeah.
knew,
I
and
actually
Charlie.
had my cousin
Yeah.
from Canada send me TikToks. Like, he
Yeah.
used to screen record
No
and send me
way.
TikToks. 15 of them every night.
That's good, dude.
Yeah, so I could
That's
just be caught
a
up.
really sweet cousin.
He put a lot of effort into this.
I would never do that for anyone.
He would like properly, and specifically Charlie, I think, because I was
Yeah.
obsessed with her.
Yeah.
So he would send me like all of her reels, and then initially when reels came up, like it was very it just followed after TikTok.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna ask how. So the dance trends come later, right? Like,
Yes.
do you all have accounts on TikTok that you see what's
No,
up, or
how
like
to
it's
That
ask?
just
time we were just posting
VPN?
the ones that were on TikTok.
Indian App Store. Can't download TikTok
Hmm.
also.
Web.
Yeah, we
And
could
then
try.
But
even
that's very
Reels
lame.
started having its own trends.
Yeah, true.
What?
Reels also started having its own
And honestly,
trends.
the Hindi dance trends are way more fun, I feel,
Yeah.
than the like
And
English
for
ones.
reels, it gets more engagement because
Yeah.
like the Indian masses don't really care about
Yeah,
the
there's like language
renegade.
barrier
Yeah.
and stuff
Yeah.
also.
Even now, if you post on an English song versus obviously we have different target audiences, and we have a whole podcast in English.
Yeah.
But then it just depends. Like if you want numbers and
Wider
followers,
reach for
A
sure.
Bollywood
Yeah.
song always
it's
And it's way
different.
more fun. But you know what's it's crazy to me that I'm here because I fully have seen you guys like meet up on the terrace and do your dances and
Stop!
stuff.
Were you there in that era?
Yeah, I'm telling you, I was there in the early days, then I dropped off because I was not on Reels. But like I was like, I saw when you guys met for the first time because I used to like watch your stuff and I used to watch your stuff. Then suddenly you all started making
Yes.
together, and I was like, whoa, crazy crossover.
Like
and now
even
you'll have
we
a
always
podcast.
think of it like we used to see each other
Yeah.
on videos like, oh, this girl dances like me, she's so similar. But we never thought we would meet and meet.
Yeah.
But then the music video
Yeah.
happened and there we met and we're
Oh,
like,
y'all met there.
yeah, like are you the same girl who makes those videos?
That's so
insane. I'm so
sweet.
flattered.
Yeah.
No, dude, I consume a lot of content. I love like consuming content, so I know everything, and I'm not like a lot of people have like ego with saying like
Yeah.
I've seen this video, I've seen
Yeah.
you, and all
Yeah.
of them. I'm like, it's fine.
Even if they've seen, they'll never
Yeah.
say KO.
Yeah. I have actually not seen anyone.
Really?
I'm like terrible. Also, I do it for like my own sanity, where I feel
Fair
like
enough.
when I watch content, I tend to compare myself a
Yeah.
lot, and then just to not fall into that loop, I'm like, you know what, fuck it, I'll just do what I want. I don't need to see what everyone else is doing.
That's so good. I'm like,
Yeah.
now I'm in that whole like, before I was like, whatever, I'm just posting, but
Yeah.
slowly I'm getting
Yeah.
into the numbers and all of that.
Because you are like, I think that like for me personally, starting at an early age,
Yeah.
the hardest part was like being managed by an agency.
Yeah.
Or understanding how the business aspect of it works.
Yeah.
Because at that time, like when I had like maybe 50,000 followers, I was like, I don't want to be managed by someone. And at that time, there were a lot of people approaching us because there were very few people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a very few content creators. And I was like, I don't want to do this because it's going to become a business. And I
Yeah.
want to enjoy it. Like I really
Yeah.
like dancing. It should
Yeah.
be fun. And then as soon as it began, I feel like I had to like start understanding like the corporate structure. I had to
Yeah.
start understanding like
It sucks the fun out of it.
yeah. And then for the first few years, I saw your reel actually,
Yeah.
where you were like, you made a certain amount, but you had like 3,000 rupees in your
Yeah, I'm like, where is my money?
That was us for like the first 3 years of
Yeah.
our
What?
career.
3
Yeah.
years? They didn't give you anything?
No, we got money,
Oh.
but like it
Oh,
was
the
like
cycle kept
5
continuing.
months
Yeah.
later, and
Yeah.
we
And
were
that
like,
time
what?
we were not that like we wouldn't question people or
Yeah.
we wouldn't ask them that where's my money.
Yeah.
Or we would just
It's also like
deal with it.
we've never been taught how to have these money
Yeah,
conversations. Like even sometimes my friends, if they owe me money, like sometimes if it's your close friend,
Yeah, it's
whatever. But if
fine.
it's like some acquaintance, it's so awkward to text them like, "Hello, can you GPay
Please
me?"
pay.
That's the
like,
way-
I never
it's
do
so
it.
I never
awkward.
ask people.
I
Even
would
I
rather
don't.
not get paid back.
Even I
Yeah.
don't.
have
But
that
I'm
ask
like,
them.
should learn.
Yeah. It is important
Yeah.
to learn. And in this industry, you always feel like the industry is so much bigger than you that
Yeah.
you can't really ask for anything. Like, it's awkward to be like, oh, when will I get paid?
Yeah.
And stuff like that. So that was the hardest part.
But I think if you just come in with those strict vibes, now they do it.
Yeah. Now
I'm a
we're
little
in the
bit
strict
yeah.
vibes era.
I'm a little bit
After, like,
strict. Like,
3
sometimes
years-
I feel bad. I'm like, am I being too strict?
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
You're doing
Yeah.
it right, actually. Yeah.
You having like a salaried job,
Yeah.
getting salary at the end of
Yeah.
the month, and then making videos,
Yeah.
doing brand collabs, but not getting that money
Yeah.
every month. How was that?
I mean, honestly, I live at home. So it's like, if I was living alone,
Yeah.
it would be much worse.
But also, if you were living alone, they would pay you.
yeah.
Yes.
That's this is what I've heard a lot.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But so it was like fine because my lifestyle didn't really change
Huh.
that much. I'd also
Yeah.
saved up
Yeah.
enough to like sustain it. But like obviously it's very nice to know like this day of the month you're getting paid.
Yeah.
You can put in your savings, you can do this.
Yeah.
Here. But here what I like is like, oh, I have so much money coming. Like
Where is
it's come. Like that's such a nice feeling. Like you'd be like shit, I have no money, but it's coming. So much is
Yeah,
coming.
that's
I work for
and
it.
by the time it's coming, then you've already used a lot. You're like, okay, I need it now.
No, dude, for sure. But that's why I'm working on like other businesses and all also.
You are
to-
working on a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Restaurant with your mom.
So that I'm not actively involved with. Like she is a restaurateur. She has a restaurant in Goa and she used to have one in Bombay.
Crazy.
And now she's opening another one in Bombay. But I'm just gonna help her with like making it Gen Z cool
And cool, yeah.
Yeah.
like marketing
Instagrammable.
it or like DMing
Yeah.
creators like please come and all of
sure.
that. So right now I'm not heavily involved, but then I'm working on 2 other businesses. So
How are
that's-
you working on 2 businesses at
I
one
have
time?
co-founders. Otherwise, I
Okay.
could never do it alone.
Yeah.
I would like die alone. But in both, in one I have 2 co-founders. One is my mom, one's my mommy,
Love it.
and
Damn,
the other one,
with your family and all
yeah,
areas of your life.
the other one is my boyfriend. So
Oh,
Wow. But yeah, that's insane to have
Yeah.
the patience to work with your boyfriend and your mom.
Yeah.
That's wild.
but honestly, it's been fine.
yeah.
Also, my sister works with her boyfriend, so like I've
Okay.
seen that whole
Journey.
like
yeah.
they've worked together 3 years and stuff. So like I'm aware of like what can happen, what
Yeah.
won't happen,
Yeah.
and all of that. But I could never do it alone, and it's nice when you're like working to a goal with someone.
Yes,
it's a lot
and
of fun.
especially if you know that you might or you do have a future together.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah.
feels like it's like
Yeah.
both people putting in work for your
Yeah,
future.
for sure. But I never have not revealed it's with my boyfriend. So first look here, guys. You heard it here first.
Okay, so we all know that you are the ultimate sober girl, and we want you to give us a sober girl guide, like
Okay.
sober cafes, your favorite cafe, or favorite places to hang out, anything.
Okay, cafe. I'd say Craven by Andy. Best acai bowl. Best matcha. I'm not a big bougie fan. Don't come for me.
You just offended Ria.
At least not the one in town. I went
Stop.
and the vibe is off. It's too commercial. It's too
You come with me
industrial.
again.
No, they're all with these headsets and I'm like, hello,
Okay,
I'm
yeah,
a
that's
movie
it.
set or a cafe.
What time of the day did you go?
Like prime lunchtime.
Loki is like, you know,
She's
the,
always.
It's too
crowded.
crowded.
Yeah,
I
it's-
want
it's
like a
ridiculous.
quiet cafe. I can sit, drink my coffee.
you know who actually loves bougie?
Who?
My grandparents.
Oh, that's so
Every
sweet.
Sunday they're like, let's go bougie. And I'm like,
That's so sweet because they probably think it's like the hip
Yeah,
place
cool
to be.
place
So
to
they're
be.
like, let me go.
and they voluntarily wait outside also for like
What?
20 minutes. They'll be like, haha, we'll sit here, we'll wait and all. They really
That's
like
damn
it.
cute.
And I love it. I'm so
Yeah.
fun. I'm going to take you back in like a
Yeah,
downtime.
I'm down. Like I've been the Bandra. I like the food. I
Yeah.
like the coffee. I just like it doesn't scream cafe to me. It screams like
I get
like
it.
fish market. Like so
Yeah.
many people
Yeah.
are there.
Like it's always one table done next
Yeah,
come on.
like
wait,
they rush
let's-
you and
They're
all.
always
No,
on the
I'm just
walkie-talkies.
sitting-
Like, hello, two people coming out.
And they always, every time I've gone, at least 2 times they'll come with a dish that's not mine. I'm like, I've not
Huh?
ordered
Wait,
this.
really?
Every single time they're like, madam, your juice. I'm like, I'm not ordering this. Like, what do I do?
But it's huge.
yeah,
It is.
it's
The food one
huge.
is- Bro, the demand is so high that I feel like from like one tiny cafe in Bandra, they
Yeah.
just had to like expand.
much.
Which is insane.
And Bandra also, it was one, then it was two, there
Yeah,
was three, then it was one in
Car-
on the 14th
Yeah.
road, then it was fourth, and now they're opening in Worli.
it's open.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? I
Like
didn't
it's
know.
with another name, but it's by Bougie.
Yeah, it's
Morina?
Bear
Not
Bombay.
Mori. Mori is also by Bougie
Yeah.
in
Oh,
Bandra.
is it?
Their matcha is amazing.
Really, I'll try.
Amazing. Better
How
than
have you
Bougie
tried
matcha.
all matcha?
I have to.
But that's why I'd say Craven is a good alternative if you want like the chill, nice
Chill
vibes. Dinner, I'd always say Royal China, best
Yeah.
place ever.
It is, yes.
There is actually
You
all
have
the
Royal
good.
China membership.
No, my sister's boyfriend has, so we
You
just
can just
use
take it.
that and
Go
go to
on
dim
Monday.
sum lunch.
Yeah.
But actually, I think I also do have. But everyone is so busy in my family.
That's how cool you need to be to not even know if you have a Royal China membership. Actually, maybe I have it.
That's so good.
Where else do I feel like all the good like cool places are in Bandra now only? There's like very few. I like Trishna. I like Royal China.
I love Trishna.
Where else do I go?
Bandra is a new Sobo.
Yeah, I mean
It
now
is.
now
I don't
everyone
know.
goes to Americano Ota, but I'm not a
Yeah.
biggest fan of them.
Yeah, it's very
They're like
okay.
fine. Like yeah.
I really like the table.
Yeah, I
The
like the table as well. But
It's
I don't
yummy.
crave it, like
I crave one dish only.
really?
Yeah.
Which one?
The lamb pasta. It's really yummy.
I haven't tried.
Next time you go, have lamb pasta.
I will. You take me there and bougie.
Yeah, cool. I'll just feed you.
But
Have you had Boca?
yeah,
coffee?
I like that coffee.
Yeah.
And the matcha also
Guys,
I
we
like.
need to sobo try this.
No, but Boca has a
Oh, yeah, 1 for 5.
In 1 for 5.
In 1 for 5, yeah.
Oh, Kalangora Cafe I would say also is a good
I
shout.
find it a little.
I let the wine room go in the day.
Yes.
Or at night in the evening. It's like they have like a vinyl. They have like good wine flowing around and stuff. I think it's a good vibe. Yeah, I know a lot of people aren't fans of it, but I feel like it has like a charm of its own.
Loki, I feel like the same thing you said about bougie now.
Yeah.
Kala Ghoda Cafe is too much of a...
Hustling, bustling.
yeah, like you
place.
have to wait all the time. It's really
Yeah,
loud. and-
but for me, it's like, oh, all the creatives are there with their laptops and they're like they're journaling or they're reading. I'm like, yes, this is
I think
Bombay.
that's Kala Ghoda.
Yeah,
overall.
vibes.
Everywhere you see,
Yeah.
like, yeah.
The
Also, the
creatives
Firang
and all.
crowd, yeah.
Dude, they're always Firang there and I'm always like shocked, even though I shouldn't be. And I'm like, hello. I hope you're having fun.
Any hangout spots, like not a cafe.
Where do you go for a drive?
Yeah.
Dude, I hate drives.
What?
I hate drives. I'm like, when
Stop
someone's
it.
like, a plan is a drive, I'm like, what are we gonna do? If the plan is to go get ice cream, fine. Let's go to pick up something, fine. But the whole point cannot be a drive.
Sis, no.
I can't.
Wait,
I
actually,
hate drives.
Why? Like,
I love.
do you drive?
No.
I
don't know how to
One
drive.
second. This is explained. I see the problem.
but even not being a driver, a drive is so much fun.
I 200% agree.
I love sitting in the car, but I don't want anyone to talk to me. I want to have my music on. I want to think. I want to just dream.
Anhad, which
I
is why
mean-
you should drive.
Yeah.
No. Me on the streets
tried?
is like.
Have you tried learning?
The thing is, I have glasses. I don't wear them, so
Okay.
I'm like blind.
So you don't want to
And
risk
like I just don't, and I don't have that like I'll cut them kind of mindset, right? I'll be like, go, 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 and
I
I'll
am
just keep
that. I
standing
am
there.
this, but I'm still
But
like,
she drives so
I'm a
slowly.
struggling driver, but I'm doing
No, I
it.
should learn, like definitely, but I just don't think it's in the cards for me right
I think
now.
it's also the age like that you left to go study when
Yeah.
everyone learns how to drive, which is fair. But if you like just listening to music,
Yeah.
just enjoying like a late night drive,
Yeah.
like that's my
But then
therapy.
how do you like switch? Like I would be so like anxious on the road that I wouldn't be able to be calm only. And
Once
the
you-
gear changing,
Yeah, that's
and
me,
then
I get
want to
that.
change the music.
Yeah,
then
yeah.
what do I do? I have to look at the mirror here, look at the mirror
Yeah.
there, look at the mirror up
Yes,
there. I'm
yes.
like, what the hell, bro?
This is me.
One second, it's not this anxiety inducing. Like once you know now how to drive,
Yeah.
after like maybe a few months or a year of driving,
Yeah.
depending on how good you are,
Yeah.
how quickly you pick it up, you don't have to think. Like
Yeah.
your eyes, your feet, like everything.
Yeah.
They just do their own.
Autopilot. Yeah, I
Yeah.
will learn some
You
next
should.
year maybe.
I can't believe you said you don't like drives. Okay,
I
so
don't.
where would you want to drive to? If you
Drive
had
to. I
get
would want
dessert?
to go get like Capetto ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, I love Capetto.
Oh, actually, strawberries and cream from Haji Ali Juice Center is also really good. You should just go pick it up, they come to your window,
Yeah.
give it to you, and you leave.
As my financial advisor, would you
Love that.
advise me to go like get strawberry milkshake or nachos?
Yeah, I think these small things once in a while you must do.
Once in a while, yeah.
To bring you joy, like you must. But then the more you do it, the less joy it brings you. It's like
For
basic
sure.
Yeah.
economics. So
Yeah.
it's like that's why you just do it once in a while. So that when you do it, it's like wow.
This was so
And then
fun.
and then you're just like no.
Fair.
Okay. Now that you have like fully gotten into content
Yeah.
creation and you're an influencer,
Don't go. Don't.
Yeah,
do
I hate
that.
the word. I hate the word.
Since you're a content creator.
Yeah.
do you
No,
have?
now everyone just says creator.
Yeah.
No one says content.
I mean, in the industry, people say creator. Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I've heard. Are you
What
a creator
was-
as well?
I mean,
No,
I'm
no,
a
that's how people
podcaster
ask.
now.
Oh,
That's
my
why I'm like,
God.
that's how- obviously you're a creator.
Did you notice anything and be like that is so unnecessary, like in the industry, like things people do or things agencies say?
Honestly, I'm still very new to all of this. Like, so for me, everything just, I'm like, okay, this makes sense. Must be how it's done. Because I don't have a lot of like friends in the
Yeah.
industry, so I have no like reference point. I don't know what is acceptable, what's not. I'm pretty sure like I'm being a bit like walked over
Maybe
right
you
now.
should.
oh, for
Yeah.
sure. That was
Yeah.
asked for really long.
Yes.
So like I'm really frustrated at times. I'm like, is this
Yeah.
normal? Is this not?
Maybe
So
it's not.
I don't think it is.
Yeah.
But I'm like I don't have anyone to like validate that for me yet. So I don't know. Maybe after I speak to you guys, I'll have another
Yeah.
answer for you.
Post the pod, we'll have
Yeah.
a discussion. But what, like, you've gone for like events and stuff.
Yeah.
Right? What do you feel like?
Do you find it weird?
What about the dress code?
I
How do you
think
feel in
oh my
general?
god, dude. First, I was like, why are you telling me what to wear? I don't have all these random colors. Because I don't buy, like, if butter yellow is trending, I'm not going to go and buy
Yeah.
butter yellow ka thing. Unless
Yeah,
I
you want
really
shiny
like it.
butter yellow.
And I'm like, I'm not. My first event, I went to H&M and bought something. So I'm like, I want to be on theme and all. And I was like, forget it. They're not going to, like, say anything. And
I mean, they don't really say anything, but then because there's like a room full of
Yeah.
People.
and yellow people, yeah. Or like even when it's pink, everyone's hair, like the hair ties are pink, the eyeliner is pink.
But it's fine. There was one pink
You don't
event. I went in a full red top. I was like, whatever.
I
I
know what
don't
you're talking
care.
about. I saw you there.
Oh, moody event.
Yeah.
I was there for 5 minutes because
Yeah.
that day I got my period. I shot a podcast. I was out of the house already. I was like, I know no one here. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
And there was Hello Kitty there. And I was like, what's happening?
Like I looked and I was like, oh, is that Anne had fun? And then she was gone.
Do people actually call you
Yeah,
that?
yeah. They'll be like, are you the sober girl? Or are you... That's what I get the most. Or are you Anne had fun?
My friend's sister was actually so excited that you were going to be on the
Oh,
pod
how
today. Like she
sweet.
was like, oh my god, Anne had fun is so famous. You're going to have her on the pod.
That's so funny. But it's really crazy. Like when people come up to you, I'm like, it feels so weird because I'm like, I've not done anything. So I'm
But
like,
do you feel proud?
yeah, for
It's a
sure.
great moment.
It is really sweet. And everyone's so nice and all. But it's just like,
You know what's really weird? Like if I don't know what your target audience
Yeah.
is, but for us this happens a lot.
Yeah.
Where like maybe like a 15, 16-year-old will recognize
Yeah.
us, right? And they're like with their mom or dad.
Yeah.
And we look like children.
Yeah.
So then they'll come up to us and they'll probably be taller than us or like
No
looking mom
way.
or taller.
Yeah.
And we're like, oh my god, can we get a picture with you? And then mom is like, who the fuck is that?
Yeah,
Like,
why are you taking
you
a
can
picture
see
with
it
her?
on the- Yeah.
Yeah. This
But
is happening.
having them as your target audience is damn good because they're also sweet.
They are
They're
really
also
sweet.
and they're so loyal.
They are, yes.
And also the fact that they are growing with us.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
we were also kids when we
Yeah,
started,
no,
and they
that's
were
really
like even
sweet.
younger than us, and now they are also growing. That's
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a lot of our followers and stuff that have followed us for like
Yeah.
a long time have actually grown up with us. Like they've gone from
That's
school to
wild.
college.
Yes.
That's so cool.
It is.
We've
yes.
gone from like college to whatever.
Yeah. Gosh, this.
Yeah. College to spoke
Podcasting.
too soon.
College was worth it. So, we want to ask everyone this question. So, you just give us what you think about it. If you got to relive the last 5 years of your
Yeah.
life, what is one thing you would do differently?
Differently.
Yes.
Ooh, this is a hard
Yeah.
question.
We want to
Damn.
ask all our guests.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like just one thing I
Yeah,
would do
yeah.
differently.
Give your best, advice.
So hard.
Yeah, take your time.
Okay, take your time. We'll cut
What
it.
did you guys say? Y'all
No,
answer?
we haven't answered.
So then, how is that fair? You guys also have to answer.
Okay, we'll answer with
Yeah.
5 years. What has happened in the last 5 years? There's COVID. I mean, I really wish I didn't waste that much time in COVID, but I feel like everyone that has that answer.
Yeah.
I wish I didn't take so much stress in my job when I was living in New York. Like, I wish I just took a deep breath because no one is dying. In corporate
Yeah.
America, they just make you feel like everything is an emergency.
yeah.
Everything is like, oh my God, the client is going to do this, do that. Like, I
Yeah.
wish I just took a deep breath and was like, it's fine. It's not your responsibility. Shut my laptop and
Yeah.
went and had some more fun.
That's
I
actually
feel
so nice.
I wish that I never left my dance training
Oh,
because I left during COVID because it got
damn.
online.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm like, who does it online? Like, I
Yeah.
couldn't. Like, I don't want
Yeah.
to dance in my house in front of a laptop. That's boring. Like, I
Yeah.
want to dance in a studio, and I left. And after that, I never got back to it because content and college
Yeah.
and this and that. Like, I could have easily removed time, but I
Yeah.
did not. And now I regret it. I'm like, that would have been so good if I was still like properly training.
Yeah.
That
It
is
would
also something I really miss.
helped me a lot in my content also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in the moment, it just feels
Yeah.
hard. Like, even in school, when I would leave sports that I was good at just because I didn't want to do
Yeah,
it, I'm like, I wish I did. I'd maybe been pro or
Sometimes
something.
I
Probably,
feel,
yeah.
You do something so much that you're like,
Yeah.
okay, now I need a break. I don't
Yeah.
wanna, and then you never get back to it.
But you can
Yeah.
get back
yeah,
now.
of course.
if you
That's what
want.
I told you. Yeah.
Loki, I don't know, but now for me personally, it feels like a little bit of a pressure because I feel like because people know that I dance, if I go to class or if I go to a
Yeah.
workshop and completely bomb,
Yeah.
like what if I suck? And then everyone's like,
Yeah.
oh, she's not a good
Yeah.
dancer. So I feel like I don't know if I want to go and like dance in front of people. Like I don't mind training on
Yeah.
my own,
Yeah.
like with a private private classes,
Yeah.
like a choreographer or something. But I don't want to like have that stress to dance in front of so many people, especially because they have that whole like thing at the end where
Yeah,
it's like
showcase.
yeah, and when they
Yeah.
know you're a content creator, they like pick you
Everyone's
out.
looking at you.
I'll tell you a
Yeah.
hack, which I'm just slowly trying to do in my own thing, is you just tell the people out there like what you're feeling right now, so that people already have that. Like on your
Image.
Instagram, be like, oh my God, I'm going to dance class. I'm so
Stressed.
nervous because they
Yeah.
expect me to be great and they don't. And then once that's out there, then you feel
Yeah.
like there's like a disclaimer,
Yes.
you know?
Yeah. Like, you can make mistakes.
Yeah, like even for me, like going to all these events and all, like everyone is posing so well and they know how to pose with the product and smiles and all of that. I'm like, I don't know how to do this, but I'm like going to document that on my Instagram, like posing every day till I like get it right and all. I feel like the more you just like embarrass yourself, the easier it is for you to do things that you
That's
really
actually some
like.
great
So
advice.
then just tell your Insta like, maybe I suck at dancing, let's go
Yeah.
find out. And then
Yeah.
your fans will obviously be like, you don't. So
Yeah,
it's
Love
fine.
it. Let's
That's
do
so
this.
nice. Yeah, let's do this. Like I feel like in the past 5 years I've wasted so much time like
Yeah.
waiting for the right time to do something. I feel like if I just every time if I had an idea, if I just executed it, if I just did it, if I
Yeah.
made it happen, I feel like I would have been somewhere else in life. Like I'm always waiting, being like, oh, maybe 6 months later, this will be the perfect
Yeah.
time to do this. And then by that time, 10 people have already done
Yeah.
it. 1,000 people have already done it. And I'm like, okay, never mind. I have to think of something else. Then I think of something else, and again, I wait for 6
Yeah.
months to do it. So I feel like I just want to do whatever I want to do. I don't want to wait.
You know,
make it
the
happen.
only time you didn't wait and it worked is the podcast. Because we just thought of it and we did it. Like, we
Yeah.
didn't have second thoughts at all.
But
We're
that's
like,
so good.
we went into it.
Yeah, I feel like that's really hard though to implement always, to just act on whatever you want to do
And
and
now
have
there are
that
so many
urgency.
podcasts.
Yeah, but y'all have your unique vibe, your unique niche.
We are gonna play a game with you, and it's
Okay.
called Spend or Save Soul Edition. And I think
Let's
you are the
go.
perfect guest for
Let's
this.
go.
So
You
we'll
better give some
ask
good
you.
advice.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not that good with my finances, but we'll find out. We'll
Okay,
see.
chal, ask.
650 rupees iced matcha at a Bandra cafe because you needed to step out.
Like I said, once a week allowed.
Okay, spend.
Fair.
Spend.
Is iced matcha for 650 rupees?
500 for sure.
Sometimes, yeah,
Yeah.
With the tax and all. Yeah. Okay, 2,400 sardo brunch because Sunday is for healing.
Yeah, the thing is, I will say yes to most of these things because you must enjoy life also. My thing is, you save, you put your money in
Yeah.
saving, then do whatever the hell you want
With
with
the other
the
money.
rest of your money.
Yeah.
So that's the trick.
But not every Sunday, na?
No,
Oh,
not
yes.
every
Yeah,
Sunday.
that's what.
Sunday is actually for family, so I'd say no.
Good.
Sunday
But
is
you can go
family.
with your family now for brunch.
Then they'll pay.
Dude,
oh yeah, then they'll pay.
It's also nice to just chill at home on a Sunday
Yeah.
with your family.
Yeah,
Yeah.
facts. A 6,000 rupees Pilates pack at a fancy studio, you'll post more than attend.
How many
Oh.
classes?
6.
That's
No, that's
damn
too much.
good.
That's too much. No. 3.
3? That's also still,
Yeah, 2K class is not bad.
it's like
expensive.
market rate, I would say.
Yeah.
But I'm not a Pilates girl, so no.
Yeah,
Save.
same. 10,000 rupee kurta from Nicobar because it's work appropriate but cool.
Save.
Yeah, na?
Same.
Yeah.
10,000 for a kurta is crazy.
I
for,
mean, their
all
like
Indian clothes
quality is
brands.
really good, but I think most of these things you can get from your like just buy the fabric, tell your
Give it to the tailor, yeah.
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 But if you go to Kala Ghoda Cafe,
Yeah.
you feel like going up to Nicobar
I'll
and
go
buying
to ad
something.
browse and I'll never buy.
And go back,
Dude,
yeah.
6,000 for like a pair of earrings that are
It's
I'm
insane,
like,
yeah.
it's fine.
I saw like this plain cotton skirt, like a ghagra type of skirt, not even like a heavy
Yeah.
wedding lehenga, for 30,000 rupees.
No way.
Cotton.
Out.
Yeah, it was insane.
Yeah, too much.
Are you like a shopper? Like
No.
No?
She said now she doesn't have an event outfit.
Yeah, I
This
just
will
like,
change, over the years as
no,
a
but I
content
just because in
creator.
Bombay there are no options. So
Yeah.
like Zara, H&M and all, I don't like the quality. I don't like the clothes.
Yeah.
Then where
Order.
else? From where?
We'll give you
We tell
records.
you.
Okay, 2,500 flowers for yourself after a mildly inconvenient day.
I'd say save.
Save.
Yeah, because I mean, then get your matcha, no? They make you
Yeah, then-
happy.
yeah,
Flowers,
half
I don't know,
price.
flowers are quite, they die and all. It's kind of sad. I like them, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy them.
Yeah.
Little bit
Maybe
overrated.
if someone
Yeah.
gives them to you.
Yeah, if someone gives them, of course.
She's
But
not
then-
spending now. Then.
yeah. But I wouldn't buy for myself.
Okay. 2,200 gel nails because clean girl era isn't free.
No. I hate getting my nails done. I think it's a
What?
waste of
What?
time, money, everything, sitting there for 2 hours, and then it looks really good, but then you can't. I'm also a very messy eater, and then it's just too much maintenance, and then no. It's more of a headache. Just grow your nails out healthily, get them painted, go home.
Nice.
Like regular polish.
Yeah.
Damn. I don't think I could ever go back to regular polish.
Yeah, I don't think I could either. I really
I'm
love
saying
my
no to
gel
fake
nails.
nails, but if you're
No,
putting
gel
gel,
polish.
on your
polish
real
on your
nails,
own nails.
that's fine. I was talking about where they sit and put the
Oh, yeah,
fake one
that
and
takes
not
all.
too
the
much
extensions
time.
No,
and all.
gel, then yeah.
Loki, honestly,
Yeah.
I'm okay with even the extensions.
Really, I just get so puck out
I
sitting
haven't gotten
there.
them, but they look so good.
Yeah. Oh, so these are both of your real nails?
Yes.
Yeah, these
Looks
are
damn
real
good.
nails.
This I would say maybe go.
Okay.
Spend.
8,000 structured mini bag that fits nothing but confidence.
No.
Riya will say yes, 100%. Yes, kar do.
Yeah, I would. I would spend money on bags.
I don't get. It's fine.
Any bag.
Actually, I've been getting more into bags, I would
Okay.
say. Because it can, like, I'm getting into things that elevate an outfit.
Okay.
Like bags,
Yeah,
shoes,
jewelry.
accessories.
Yeah.
Like, I'm getting more into that game.
Loki, like I'll tell you honestly, before I started like my content creation journey, I was like I would wear the same grey sweatpants
Yeah.
every single day.
Yeah.
Like I had no wardrobe. Like I would literally just wear
Yeah.
tank tops and sweatpants. But then now because this is my life and my lifestyle, I've
Yeah.
adapted so hard that like I actually love shopping.
Yeah.
Like I actually spend money on having like 20 different pink tops for every brand.
Yeah. That's
So
cute.
like I guess now that I've adapted, I'm just like, owning it. Like I'm
Yeah.
like, cool.
I mean,
like,
I guess
buy
it's
every
part of the game.
Yeah.
You have to, like,
When we went
indulge.
shopping in Bangkok, people literally like, we need pink tops for a brand.
How
pink
sweet.
top is yellow.
Yeah. We need
Stock up.
pajamas for the pod.
Yeah.
Fair. Business expense.
Last one. 60,000 plus on a spontaneous trip booked at 2 a.m. because you needed a change.
Spend.
Spend?
Spend. Experiences you must.
Yeah.
And act on the feeling immediately. No?
This is me. If it's a trip, I'm there. Like
Yeah.
I'm
And
spending
you'll
the
remember
money.
it forever. It's fine. That's why with shopping and all, I'm like, I'm not
Yeah.
gonna remember this pink top. So might as well not.
Imagine you spent like 1,500 on a top and later you're like, where is it? I can't even find
Yeah,
it.
bro, that's me all the time.
But I guess I also have a sister, so I have 2 closets, so it's fine.
Love
like,
it.
you know, we
Yeah.
can just shift
You'll
around.
share clothes.
That's
Yeah.
lucky, huh?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
very
it's.
lucky.
I mean, there were many years where we would like physically fight with each other when we would take each other's, but now at that stage where it's like, what's mine is yours. So that's really
that's sweet,
nice.
actually.
Yeah.
Yay.
So it's good.
That's very cute. Okay, we are gonna end this episode finally.
Yes.
With Richi recommends, obviously. So we recommend something, a show, movie, content creator,
Yeah.
whatever you want. So go ahead and recommend whatever you want.
Okay, mine is not a show, movie, or
Okay.
content creator. But if you guys want to focus or in the morning just feel
Huh.
like my day is going to be the best day ever, go on Spotify, search Beta Waves, and just listen to like, if you want abundance in that day, play that. If you want money that day, play that. If you want love that day, creativity, just play that frequency in the morning when you're like getting ready and all. I'm telling you, you'll have the best day ever.
That is a
my
great
hack.
I
recommendation.
didn't even know that's a thing.
Dude,
Yeah,
they play
same.
all these frequency things are so calming in the morning, or when you're like trying to write a script or you want to work, just put it on your speakers and you are locked in.
That's
I
intense.
swear.
I love it.
Best
I'm
recommendation.
gonna do this.
You must
Like,
try.
you know, even when we did this hair spa thingy
Yeah.
in Thailand,
Yeah.
and there they played some sounds
Yeah.
and they did some
Sound therapy,
Yeah,
na?
it was insane.
It's crazy.
Is it like that?
This is just like very calming, and
Yeah.
especially in the morning, like people like to listen to also like hype songs in the morning and all,
Yeah.
but this just like really like puts you in your zone, I feel.
Look, yeah, I could wake up and listen to like
Yeah.
the Durandar title track or something.
I used to be that way, but then I feel like it just muddles my brain. But
So
I
fair.
would in the shower, I'll play my
Yeah.
full
Yeah.
musty like.
Maybe you should
songs.
listen to it before you sleep.
That actually
Yeah.
sounds really nice.
Or when
That's
you're trying to
okay.
work, just have it in the background also.
Yeah.
Very nice recommendation.
You guys
Love
say?
it. No one has recommended anything like this before.
Yeah. Okay, my recommendations are K-drama. I can't think of anything else. We've given too many recommendations. But this show called Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. It's such a cute name.
Cute.
And it's a really fun show also. I just love like a good K-drama, like a nice romance, you know, and Valentine's Day is coming up. So like it's the perfect time to watch like something cute. And it's like it takes place in this really small town, and this girl moves here from like a really big city. So it's like her adapting and falling in love with a small town boy. It's really cute.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. My recommendation is this movie that I saw recently, and it came on my recommendations on Netflix, Dhoom Dham. And
Ooh.
Yami Gautam is in it.
Oh, I've
and
seen
it's
it.
I've not
a super
seen.
fun comedy yet thriller movie.
What's it about?
It's like she gets married, and the moment they get married, right after that, like there are people running behind them. They
Oh,
think
I
they
saw
are like
the
criminals and they have to
trailer.
like
Yeah.
run and like do all of that. And he's like a really like chill guy, and
Yeah.
she's like, "Hey, why aren't you fighting back?" This, that. And it's a whole night's journey
No way.
till the morning, and it's so fun. And
That's
I actually
nice,
didn't
yeah.
expect myself to watch something like that. Like I'm like, okay, this would be something chill, but it was amazing.
I remember it. It was a nice watch.
Yeah, and I actually love Yami Gautam, bro. She is so beautiful.
She's in Befikre, na?
No.
No, that's
Am I
not-
confused?
That's not it. Yami Gautam.
Is that
Is in
Nargis?
Uri.
No, I don't even know.
No, who is I?
Who's in Befikri? Nargis?
No,
it's
basically
Yami.
is
No.
Vani.
I always confuse the two.
They look so different.
Wait, now let me Google who
Yami Gautam.
Yami is.
You know who is she? She's the wife of
I know.
the Durandar
Yeah, I
director.
saw her name.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Oh, crazy. I didn't know that. That's
yeah,
insane.
yeah.
Nice. Oh, she's like literally
Yeah,
moving
I
right
want
now.
to see who she is.
When you see her face,
You'll know who she is when you look at her.
Huh. But she looks like the Befikre girl.
No, bro.
No, they look so different.
Fine. I'll believe you guys.
Yeah, so my
She was like, she's good at Bollywood and all that.
Yeah, so that's my reco for this week.
Okay, amazing. Thank you, Anhad, for coming on the pod. We hope you had
I
fun.
had so much fun. Thanks, Richie, for having
And
me.
fun. Thank you for coming on the pod, and we hope you guys enjoyed this episode too and got some advice
Yes.
from
Yeah.
the sober girl.
Get your money up, guys.
Yeah.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram. Follow Anhad Fun on Instagram. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay,
Same
subscribe to Anhad Fun on YouTube.
Yeah.
And see you.
Same time, same place next week. Bye bye.
Woo.
Yay.